the old part of the abandoned railway. Got stuck before I got here. Sounded like there's a train coming. The old railway trestle. I got stuck and got pretty muddy. It took about 20 minutes to get out. Now there's a train coming down the tracks. Coming down this track. Under the bridge. Nice. We'll go see it. The old trestle by the, I believe it's the lower part of the Mattawan River. But pretty muddy from getting stuck. I wish I'd had the camera on when I was stuck, but I thought I did, but apparently I didn't. Somebody's put a tree across so they can climb across. I'm not sure why. Maybe go fishing. Grand Trunk Railway, coming up to the flat tunnel, or as Supermoto Hooligan likes to call it, the Tunnel of Death. Old railway tunnel. This is some of you may recognize it from when I did my ice climbing video in here. Can't see anything in here. Ice climbing was right around here somewhere. So I've made it to Chappaqua, 62 kilometers from home. Gonna gas up and we'll be heading across the road and towards Boreal Road. This is the Mattawan River Dam. The spillway of the little dam spot here. Not sure how old it is. The little falls here, down across the bridge, which we'll be crossing down there. There's the bigger falls. Bridge. Big set of falls. They're just right at the corner there. Got to climb down to them to get a good view of them though. gonna head across. The road gets a little rougher, not used as much. One thing I've noticed that all the beaver dams along this road are way down. It's almost like they got rid of the beavers. This is the only one that actually has touched the road so far that I've hit. There used to be like 6 or 7 of them. Some of them pretty deep. This whole area would have been covered with water. But I noticed they've done a little bit of cutting. And I noticed a lot of orange and red flagging tape. They've done a mining exploration around here. So they've cleaned up the road quite a bit. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but right through that little gap up on top of the hill, that's the Aldina Fire Tower. It's my destination for today. We gotta go up a little further up this road and turn left. We're 36.5 kilometers from Shabakal. We're almost 100 kilometers away from where I started. Remember to bring a saw next time. Much maintenance in a while, obviously. There used to be a group of four-wheelers that would come up here and clean up the trail. Believe it or not, you could drive right by this thing. That's the tower up there. Pretty windy, got a good vibration going. This tower is 100 feet high. I think last time I was here, I actually saw a fire from it. There was a house fire. Way back in the leaving area over there. Long ways away. Really good view from up here. A little bit of vibration from the wind. The tower seems pretty solid still. I got my helmet on so I can film this. Looking down. Oh, she's swaying a little bit.